Welcome back to this video, and to this video you are going to learn on how to contact Alipay customer support and live chat with them to solve any Alipay related issue. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Alipay topic. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to contact Alipay support live chat. A step-by-step guide. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply click on your Alipay. So for you to speak to the customer support live chat. Okay, so the Alipay is going to load up and take you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Now the next thing you need to do is to simply click on App Center. Now the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Chat. Then take you to this particular options right here. Now, for you to be connected with an Alipay customer support live chat, what you need to do is to simply click on here and type in, I want to speak with customer service. Then you send. I need to talk to online customer service. Then send. So you have to wait. So take a look at it. You have been connected with a customer representative. Next thing you need to do is to click on customer representative right here. So you have to wait until you are connected to the customer representative. So right here, you can see they were typing, what can I do for you? Yes, could you please tell me more detail? This is Annie. So you can see a customer service has been connected. Okay. So, hello. This is Rafiu from Nigeria. Please, I will like to know my annual limitation on Alipay, and is it possible for me to increase my annual limit? Then I'm going to send. So read. So it's as simple as that. So this is how to basically live chat with Alipay customer service and solve any Alipay related issue. So you can see here that they were chatting with me live and direct, and it's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Alipay topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.